Bit of a wild day here tomorrow. There's a wind advisory in effect for Hamden, Hampshire, and Franklin County. That goes into effect 4 o'clock tomorrow morning through 1 a.m. on Saturday. There's a high wind warning in effect for Berkshire County. This is a higher level of alert, gusts to 60 miles per hour. And in fact, this high wind warning is already in effect, although we have not seen any 60 mile per hour wind gusts yet. Let's take a look at the future wind gusts with our 22 News Storm Team wind gust forecast. So 4 o'clock tomorrow morning is when the winds start to pick up around here. Notice some gusts of 40 miles per hour in the Berkshires as early as 4 o'clock tomorrow morning, and gusts over 25 miles per hour in a few spots at 4 a.m. Strongest wind gusts we're expecting mid-morning, so between, say, 9 and noon are when some of the strongest gusts are going to happen. Look at this, 51 mile per hour wind gusts in Springfield at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. Close to it, North Adams and Orange, and 46 mile per hour and 48 mile per hour wind gusts at Westfield. So certainly enough wind here to cause some tree limbs to fall, and perhaps, in fact, it's likely that we have at least some scattered power outages here tomorrow as well. 40 mile per hour wind gusts at noontime, and then the wind backs off for a little bit here during the mid-afternoon hours, and then another surge of colder air comes in, and the wind gusts go back up to around 40 miles per hour, at least over 25 miles per hour for the early to mid-evening hours. So be ready for it. Windy day here tomorrow. We start with rain. We're going to end with some snow showers. We'll show you with the 22 News Storm Team forecast.